friends, greetings from Iceland. We are back at the eruption site. See what the view I have here, a volcano behind the mountain. I stop it here, it's quite a nice angle here with this mountain, filming angle. Nice perspective. See ya. Sun is setting down in Iceland. The winds in Iceland are really chilly to the bones, even in the summertime. What can you do? Move to Italy. That's the only solution. Or Spain. But homes in Iceland are warm. On the other hand, it's always warm because we have geothermal heating. It's quite steep peak here. I was put up. There is another one over there. That one I haven't made it yet, but one day. So this is my stuff here. I don't have much stuff in it. It's drone and backpack. So we are exploring volcano from every possible angle. Let's zoom closer. Old cone there behind, you see, this is the old volcano. There's a new one here. There is also a small one. This one is also shooting lava, baby volcano. And we had more of them which kind of died. You see it in my videos. Real wonderland here. It's hard to believe we are on Earth. With all those pink smokes. Anyway, all the best to you. God bless. Be well. Be going down here, very steep.